Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you basically get free items on Roblox. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So for this one, you just have to search on the game section here, Rimble World. So as you can see, there are a couple of items here, but you just have to select the free items, Rimble World here, the first one. You just have to join this game. So as you can see, as advertised, it has free, and you just have to skip the loading. And there's it. All you have to do, guys, is go ahead and follow all the steps here and follow all the tasks here so you can earn the free items. So here, guys, all you have to do is follow the arrow right here, and you just have to follow all the tasks as well. So there, guys, so all you have to do is basically lawn here. So I won't be doing this basically for demonstration purposes. So once done with that, all you need to do is just go ahead and mark the lawn, and you just have to play tennis on the other side of this. So all you have to do is go over to the tennis side there. So once done with going over to the lawn, you will be redirected to the tennis, and you just have to finish it. And if it has other tasks as well, you just have to finish it as well so that you can earn the free items. So okay guys, those are basically the ways on how you can get the free items. Thank you for watching and goodbye.